Welcome back. As you can see here on the screen, on June 10th, 2023, which was 4 days ago, Debian Bookworm was officially released as Debian 12. So this machine has been using Debian Bookworm as testing. Let's see if there's anything we need to change. So if we look on the Debian website and we look at what the sources.txt file should look like, that's what it's suggesting for using since the release of Debian 12. Let's go take a look to see what ours looks like. So we have these lines for Debian Bookworm contrib, non-free firmware, and that looks like what they're saying here. For security, same ideas, and for updates, same thing. So let's go ahead and run apt update. And since this has been regularly updated until here, there may not be many updates, but let's take a look at what it asks for. And the only thing it's actually asking for is an update to VS Code. And let's see what -A calls for. And several different versions of VS Code. Okay, and we'll do these updates. And this is pulling the repository from Microsoft for VS Code, which is not a Debian package per se, or not an official Debian package. So that's complete. So now we can go ahead and reboot and the system will be all updated. If you're interested in how to install and set up Debian Bookworm, I do have a playlist which will be on the screen right now. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.